Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am Pro Matte Foundation, and I'm putting this on the inner part of my face, so like basically like my T-zone, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a beauty blender. And I do this because the hourglass creases on my smile lines and my forehead lines, so I'd rather put a different foundation on in the middle. Now I'm grabbing my Fenty concealer in the shade 290 and my ColourPop concealer in like, I can't even remember the color, and I'm putting that at the very front just to brighten up my under eye. And I start blending at the bottom of my eye and then work my way up. Now grabbing the Fenty powder in Banana, and I'm just setting it under my eye. Now grabbing my Avon Flawless Loose Powder, I'm just pressing like I used nutmeg twice, and then I went ahead and put the NYX Butter Gloss on top, and this one's in Eclair. This is probably like my go-to like makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Lately you say he been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy.